A map is drawn a scale of 3/4 inches equals 50 miles. What is the actual distance between two towns that are 1 1/2 inches apart on the map? For those of you who are more confident working with proportions, this problem can be quite simple. 1 1/2 is twice as much as 3/4. So then we can infer that the unknown value is also twice as much. So we can write this as 3/4 inches times 2 equals 1 1/2. And knowing that 3/4 inches times 2 equals 1 1/2, we can now write 50 miles times 2 equals 100, so that our answer would be B, 100 miles. For further explanation, since we are dealing with scale representations, we must set up our problem proportionally. In order to set it up proportionally, we must be consistent in placing the numbers in relation to their labels. We know that 3/4 inches equals 50 miles. So we have to find how many miles equals our 1 1/2 inches. To make this easier, we can convert the fractions into decimals. We can verify that 3/4 is equal to 0.75 and 1 1/2 is equal to 1.5 by dividing on our calculator. Proportions are set up like fractions with one value over another. So now we can start writing our equation. Because we need to keep labels consistent, let's put inches over inches equal to miles over miles. And x is our unknown. In order to solve, we can cross multiply. And this just provides an easier way to solve our equation. So we can now write this as 1.5 inches times 50 miles is equal to 0.75 inches times x miles. We need to get x by itself, so we multiply each side together. So we're left with 75 equals 0.75x. Then divide 75 by 0.75 to get x by itself. So x equals 100, or 100 miles equals 1 1/2 inches on the map. So the answer would be B, 100 miles.